First, I am making a car, and you will need a Twinkie and just cut out a little seat for it. Take out the little piece, place a peep inside. Along with the peep, place a white chocolate covered upside down pretzel. My frosting was not supposed to go in the refrigerator, and that's what I did on accident. So I just took some cream from the Twinkie, and then I just put it around my Oreo and made some tires. Next, we are making some Chex Mix, and to one bowl you want to add 2 cups of Chex Mix. Then to another bowl you want to place 1.5 cup of white chocolate chips. Next, you want to add 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and then you want to add 3/4 cup of creamy butter, peanut butter. I didn't add 3/4 cup because I didn't have that kind of measurement tool, so I just added all of the peanut butter that I had left. Put it in the microwave for 45 seconds and then mix it all together. Now I kind of skipped the part where I poured the mixture into the cereal because it kind of looked nasty, so I'm just trying to save you guys. I'm trying to save you guys some scarring, so let's roll the next clip. Now you just want to add all of that mixture into a medium-sized bag, Ziploc bag, and add 1.5 cup of confectioner's sugar. Now mix it and shake it all up. Take all the big parts out of there and start placing it on like parchment paper and flattening it out. And then add some M&Ms, freeze it, and have your treat. Now we are making some cake, and you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're really supposed to make some Betty Crocker cake mix, but I used some Pillsbury, and I think it can work the same. Just make your cake the same way it's supposed to be. Then mix it all together. Now add chocolate frosting all over your cake, just the top though, once it's cooled. Now to make it look like dirt, we're gonna crumble some cookies on top of your cake. I didn't feel like going out for cookies, so I just got some graham crackers instead. Then kind of pat it down, and okay, this looks like it's breathing. When I patted it down, it kept rising back up, so I got a little bit creeped out. Now with some green icing, add some like little green rolls of grass. Now you can add any color icing. I used pink, and then I placed a little purple peep on top. And ta-da! Our last project is some fruit kebabs, and I think I just realized all of these treats include a peep. Starting off with the strawberries, I just cut off all the green parts. I cut up some mangoes, and my mom helped me cut some pineapples. And by help me, I mean she did it, because I don't know how to do that. And so then you can grab a straw, but this didn't really work for me. You want to place it like a kebab, how you would usually make a kebab. Place a fruit in order, blah, 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 whatever. Then you add a little peep on top. And if you see any food coloring on my hand, I'll explain that in next week's video.